This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Carol Robinson. Plenty of room in this affordably priced cabin with huge detached garage with upstairs. Walk along the stone patio to the entry of this unique home. Greatroom with woodstove, a bedroom, laundry and 2 baths on the main level with a couple of additional bonus rooms for storage/crafts/guests. Upstairs has a large additional bedroom, and 2 more bonus rooms. Private and has a spring-fed stream on the property. Located only minutes to hiking, biking, fishing, the casino, and so much more. For more information, review the details below or contact Carol Robinson at 866-835-8500 extension 105.